Welcome back, Leviathan race. You know that my work ethic is top notch, and I go back to back to back to back videos. I'm not doing 30 in a day anymore. That drove me to almost madness. I can't do 30 a day and edit and short, and that's too much. I can't do it all by myself. But with that being said, there's no reason I can't record 15 and just cut it in half and give you the full experience like a normal video would. Because I've noticed that when I do 30 videos, my enthusiasm, energy, creativity, enthusiasm just go all the way down. So I can keep it up in a nice dosage for 15, so I'm gonna continue to do that. And just in case you didn't know, I'm your Pokemon Live champion, a YouTube Shorts champion. And here we go. Another day, more fire to be pulled. Chill his eyes. Here we go. Fusion strike. Chilling rain. Battle styles. Evolving is gas. And hidden fates to close out today. So here we go. Let's start off with some fusion and see what we get out of there. Let us go. Pack trash. Code card. Come on, Fusion, what you got for me? What you got for me today? Rock Lee Energy, Wigglytuff, Phalanx, Simisear, Impeder, Demon, Snom, Onyx, Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff. Durant. Cloyster for the reverse, for the finale. Let me get 7. Brass. Come on. Whew. Gengar V. And that gets the tie. Seal of approval. Boom. First pull of the day. It's funny, I was talking to Elodia on Instagram, and I told her I was talking to Savin, and she thought I meant the ring. The ring is a physical manifestation I have for Savin Brass, who is an actual sub that I have. Me and him talk pretty much every day. He's one of the people who in the beginning kept me going, allowed me to put it all out there and said, champ, you got this. Through everything, he's always had my back. Through everything, he's always been there when I needed him. So that's why I have Savin in every one of my videos. Hopefully one day he'll actually be in a video once I get monetized. Speaking of that, why don't you watch the whole video all the way through to get the champ monetized? Because I promise you, when I start getting the Google money, it's going to be different. A lot different. Chilling rain. Let us go. Pack trash. Code card. What do you got, Chilling? Come on, what do you got? Full Metal Energy. Chest plate. Cybele. Ladian. Sneasel. Galarian. What? Farfetch. Galarian style. Faru. Is Venipede, Spheal, Lapras with Melanie as a reverse for the finale. Surfage, Glade style, nothing there. Bulk stack, oh, Cloyster, no. Let's do this, that, and this. Battle styles. Let's go. Pack trash. Code card. Come on, Battle Styles, you treat me so well all the time. What you got? Rock Lee Energy, Weeping Bell, Experience Share, Progly, Malware, Spoink, Mr. Mime, Glade Style, Asper, Shakes, Glider for the reverse and for the finale. Evolving Skies. Let us get pack trash. Code card. Oh, I gotta pick up my Evolving Skies packs from Best Buy today. Oh, jeez. Fireball Jutsu. Floetta. Rubber Gloves. Tentacruel. Litleo. Typo. Hippopotamus. Scraggy. Fletchling. Styling for the reverse for the finale. Lilligant. So I got a Gengar V and a hideous apple. Hopefully, Hidden Face can bail me out. Come on, Hidden Face. Come on, come on, come on. Here we go. Pack trash. Code card. What do you got, Hidden? What do you got? World Style Jutsu. Misty's Determination. Jinx. Pokemon Center Lady. Cubone. Best art all time. Geodude. Eevee. Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff. Coughing. Cubone for the reverse for the finale. Kangaskhan. Nothing. Oh, this Cubone was really nice. There you have it. There you have it, everyone. My Pokemon pack breaking endeavor. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I'm your Pokemon Life Champion and YouTube Short Champion. Hulk Hogan in the 80s. I will never lose these belts. And I'll see you tomorrow for more. Will you return for more? And Valor, it's always nice to have you back. It's nice to have you back from vacation. Thank you for coming back. Super V. Well, you were on vacation too, but you came back early. Thanks too.